Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a Halloween baking video, which I'm super excited. I've never done a Halloween baking video on my channel before, so today is gonna be the first one. And this is a very simple recipe that you literally only need like 5 ingredients. It's very easy. So if you guys want to see how we're gonna make these beautiful cupcakes, then please keep watching. First step, you're gonna want to take your brownie mix and your vanilla cake mix, and you're gonna need 2 bowls. So you're gonna want to put the cake mix in one and the brownie mix in another. And for these batters, you just want to go ahead and do exactly what the back of the box tells you to do. So you're gonna need eggs, water or milk, and vegetable oil. You guys can of course go ahead and make your own brownie mix and your own vanilla cake mix, but this is supposed to be a very fast and easy recipe, so I decided to just go ahead and do the box recipes because I found that was going to be the quickest and easiest. For the cupcakes, because it is Halloween themed, I went ahead to the dollar store and I found these cute cupcake liners, a pumpkin and bats, and the other one's like cobwebs. They are super cute. So I put 1 egg in the brownie mix and 3 eggs in the cake mix. And now I'm just gonna stir it all together, and then I'm gonna add a cup of water into the cake mix and a 1/4 cup of water into the brownie mix. Once you've got the water in both mixes, you're gonna go ahead and take a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil for the cake mix and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil for the brownie mix. But once you have your mixes mixed together, for the vanilla cake mix, you want to go ahead and add orange food coloring to the mix. I personally could not find orange food coloring anywhere, so I'm just going to mix yellow and red together, and I hope that food coloring mixes together and will give me orange. Okay, so for the food coloring, I really could not figure out a perfect mix to get a nice orange color. This does look a little orange. I honestly would call it more of like a peach. So I'm really curious to see what it's gonna look like when it's done baking. If I were to do this again, I definitely think I would do way more yellow than red. Like, I think I'd probably do a crazy amount of yellow and maybe 2 or 3 drops of red. Instead, I tried to get the batter really deep red and then go in with the yellow. I think I should have done the yellow and then the red, but we'll see how it turns out. So you just want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and you want to bake the cupcakes for 15 to 20 minutes. And then once they come out, you want to let them cool before you remove them from the pan and add your frosting. And if you only have 1 cupcake tray, a 12 cupcake one, you're gonna need to do 2 batches because this does make 24 cupcakes. So you want to fill the cupcake liners only 1/3 of the way. As you can see, I've done that with all of them. And now for like up to like here, you want to do the cake batter. So this is it with the cupcakes filled in them. It's just preheating right now, so once it reaches 350, I'm going to pop them in for 15 minutes. And yes, I know it's crazy late right now. Definitely the best part of baking. So good. I would much rather eat a bowl of cake batter than like a cake and a cupcake, like for real. So these are the cupcakes done. They just line them up like this so they can cool down. These ones are all cool, the middle ones, but these last 2 and 2 rows there still need to cool. But once they're all fully cooled, we're gonna move on to, So I did just frost the cupcakes that are cooled down, and I just use this vanilla pre-made frosting. You can again make your own frosting, but this is supposed to be a very fast, easy, simple, fun Halloween recipe. So I chose to do the easy way. I did just put it in a little Ziploc bag and squeeze it out, but now I'm going to top it with some Halloween sprinkles. You could see the color at the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some eyeballs on. This is my little cupcake here that I'm going to try. These are the other ones. There's a huge mess I made of sprinkles, and I'm obviously going to clean it up. So they have their little eyeballs on and stuff like that. They're so cute. I'm going to try my little cute guy right now. Ooh, should I eat the eyes? Okay, I'm going to do it. Really good. Ten out of 10. So good. I really recommend these. They are like so delicious. I'm obsessed with them. I have 24, 23 now. My siblings are gonna go crazy for these, so I'm so excited to bring them. But yeah, I hope you guys like this Halloween baking tutorial. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.